Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So first up we have someone with a vase. They're adding some little decorative pieces to it. Now this is like a really simple and easy beginner friendly project. So it looks like they did the gems all in one area. You could do it all the way around if you wanted to. And then they're going in with some spray paint. Oh, this came out gorgeous. Very cool. And you guys know I love anything gold, so this is definitely a stunner. And like I said, a very simple project to replicate. So moving on to the next one, we have some bowls here. Looks like they have a plate. Oh, we already know what they're making. If you follow this channel, it looks like they're making either a candle holder or, yep, a table tray. Very cute. Another very beginner friendly, easy project to try. I really like that spear that they have going there too, with the gold and the black. So pretty. All right, so this next project looks like it's going to be on the more advanced side. So she has some wood pieces here. So it definitely looks like she's making some type of furniture piece. She's making some legs. Doing a bit of a distressed look to the wood here. And she does go in with a light little stain. Oh wow, so she made a nice decorative bench. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's for the bathroom. I love it. I love the vibe. It looks like a relaxing spa retreat. So here we have another DIY featuring some wood. I like how she's giving us the measurements. Adding some more wood stain to this project as well. Oh, it's a towel holder. Oh, very nice. So she just decorated and upgraded her whole bathroom. Very cool. So here we have a backyard makeover. So I don't know about you guys, but it is so satisfying to watch like these home improvement transformations. I swear I could just sit and watch these all day. Oh. Oh, I like the color of the stain that they used. I had no idea that you could stain concrete. I love that color. It's like a pretty like charcoal. Oh, I love the way that that looks. Oh, that must have been like really tedious having to remove all those rocks. That's what I was thinking. Okay, so the white rocks probably would have complemented the charcoal better. That looks, wow. Yeah, that looks nice. All right, so then we move on to the next DIY. So this one looks like some type of mirror design. And this is like one of those like basic boho mirrors. Oh, they didn't show us the end. Okay, so this is actually a new project. Looks like they're doing some macrame leaves. Oh, you know what? I think this is still the same video clip. Okay, so she's gonna add these macrame leaves on here. I've never seen this before with a boho style mirror. This is really interesting. Oh, that's very creative. Something different too. I have never seen this before. Very cool idea. And then putting some little beaded pieces with some gold. I love this because it's like this person put their own personal spend on a classic. Like they upgraded it to match more their style and aesthetic. And I think that's what you should do when it comes to DIYs. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.